Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Japan. We have just bought Forza Horizon 6. So without further ado, let's start the game. I'm so excited to play this.
A few moments later.
Here are the timestamps for the video. Feel free to skip ahead to wherever you would like. Now for the sake of time, I'm just gonna speed this part up. Dude, I'm so excited. Oh. This is insane. I just got it. Now what am I racing? Oh, are you gonna give me the GTR? Here we go, guys. Ironic how the first car I have is left-hand drive when we're in Japan. Now it was so hard to take in all the scenery because I was focused on the race. Oh, wow. FC3. Okay, mountain driving is what I did best in Horizon 5. Allegedly.
Leading the way, the amazing 2025 GRGT prototype. I finally get to say it. Here it is, the final stretch.
Okay, time to draft.
Everyone to Horizon Japan.
Come on, no, I can't. Oh, it's kind of laggy, but wow.
That wraps up events for tonight at the festival.
This is amazing.
Wondering if we're legend material? The
M4.
qualifiers are starting to.
Oh yeah, there's new drag strip. This is interesting.
Prep these myself. And what's mine is yours.
I'll go Sylvia.
I got this Sylvia fitted out with the original Rocket Bunny body kit. Hit up a road race and make a statement.
Shibuya Crossing, I'm gonna drift it.
We're taking a ride. Watch the oncoming traffic.
There we go.
Well, I also need someone to test the tune.
I'll do that.
52.
Wall tap. Wall tap. I hope you have insurance, because I don't. Oh, yeah. So since I had Horizon 5, I unlocked an AMG one. This is not fair. Now what can I buy? I want to see the store. This is looking good. In Horizon 5, the first car I bought from the auto show was the Challenger Demon. I want to see if it's there. It's here! Okay, we know this is what my goal is. I'm gonna use what advantages I have, don't judge me. Alright, let's go. Now for you this is only like 10 to 20 seconds, but for me this was like 20 to 30 minutes. So if you're enjoying the video, I would highly appreciate a sub. That's beautiful. Let's buy it. Ladies and gentlemen, here it is. We just got ourselves the Challenger Demon.
In 400 yards, turn left. Turn left. In 400 yards, to do so.
Alright, well, that's all for today. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. This game is so much fun to me already. Also, I'm going to do some grinding off camera. I'm not gonna cheat, but I'm gonna get some more cars for you guys to see next time. So anyway, see you.